This is a review of Evian still water in a glass bottle. I absolutely love the glass bottle of Evian. It's just a work of art. I love it. It's beautiful, and to the point that I can't actually bin them or recycle them. I have to keep them and collect them, which is a little bit sad, but it's so beautiful. The water itself is also beautiful. It's a TDS of about 360, a pH of 7.2. The water has an earthy taste to it and a really lovely, creamy, smooth mouthfeel. Again, very distinctive taste. One of the most famous waters on the planet. Highly recommend it. Absolutely beautiful.